Introduction to Lemongrass Essential Oil. Lemongrass Essential Oil is a versatile and powerful natural remedy that offers a myriad of benefits for the mind, body, and spirit. Derived from the leaves and stalks of the lemongrass plant, this essential oil has been used for centuries in traditional medicine practices. With its refreshing citrusy scent and numerous therapeutic properties, lemongrass essential oil has become increasingly popular in modern holistic health and wellness practices. History and origin of lemongrass essential oil. The history of lemongrass essential oil dates back centuries, with its origins traced to Southeast Asia, particularly India and Sri Lanka. It has long been valued for its medicinal qualities and aromatic properties. In traditional Ayurvedic medicine, lemongrass essential oil was used to treat various ailments, including digestive issues, fevers, and infections. Over time, its usage spread to other parts of the world, and it is now widely recognized for its numerous health benefits. Extraction process of lemongrass essential oil. Lemongrass essential oil is extracted through a process known as steam distillation. The leaves and stalks of the lemongrass plant are harvested and then subjected to high-pressure steam, which helps release the essential oil from the plant material. The steam containing the volatile compounds of the lemongrass plant is then cooled, condensed, and collected. The resulting liquid is the concentrated lemongrass essential oil, which is highly potent and packed with beneficial compounds. We are grateful for your viewership of our movie. If you enjoyed it, we would be honored if you could consider subscribing to our channel. Your support enables us to produce more captivating movies for your enjoyment. Additionally, taking a moment to leave a comment would mean a lot to us. We sincerely thank you in advance for your support and feedback. Chemical composition and properties of lemongrass essential oil. Lemongrass essential oil is composed of various chemical compounds, including citral, myrcene, geraniol, and limonene. These compounds contribute to its unique aroma and therapeutic properties. Citral in particular is responsible for the distinct citrus scent of lemongrass essential oil. The oil possesses antifungal, antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and analgesic properties, making it a valuable addition to natural health remedies. Health benefits of lemongrass essential oil. Lemongrass essential oil offers a wide range of health benefits. Its antimicrobial properties make it effective in fighting against various bacteria and fungi, making it a valuable ingredient in natural disinfectants. It can also help relieve pain and inflammation, making it useful for those suffering from arthritis or muscular aches. Additionally, lemongrass essential oil has been shown to have a positive impact on digestive health, promoting healthy digestion and relieving stomach discomfort. Skincare benefits of lemongrass essential oil. When it comes to skincare, lemongrass essential oil can work wonders. Its astringent properties help to tighten and tone the skin, reducing the appearance of pores and providing a natural glow. It is also known for its ability to combat acne and control excessive oil production. Furthermore, lemongrass essential oil has antioxidant properties that help protect the skin from free radicals, preventing premature aging and promoting a youthful complexion. Hair care benefits of lemongrass essential oil. Lemongrass essential oil is not only beneficial for the skin, but also for the hair. It has been used for its hair-strengthening properties, promoting healthier and more resilient hair. The oil can help reduce scalp inflammation, which can lead to dandruff and hair loss. It also helps to balance oil production on the scalp, preventing greasy hair. Incorporating lemongrass essential oil into your hair care routine can leave your hair looking and feeling healthier and more vibrant. Mental and emotional benefits of lemongrass essential oil. The aroma of lemongrass essential oil has a profound impact on mental and emotional well-being. It is known to have a calming effect, reducing anxiety and relieving stress. The uplifting scent can also help enhance mood and improve focus. Whether used in aromatherapy diffusers or added to bathwater, lemongrass essential oil can create a serene and peaceful environment, promoting relaxation and mental clarity. Spiritual benefits of lemongrass essential oil. In addition to its physical and mental benefits, lemongrass essential oil is also believed to possess spiritual properties. Its refreshing and invigorating scent is often associated with cleansing and purifying rituals. Many individuals incorporate lemongrass essential oil into their meditation or yoga practices to create a sense of spiritual connection and harmony. Its uplifting aroma is said to help clear the mind, uplift the spirit, and promote a sense of inner peace. How to use lemongrass essential oil. There are various ways to incorporate lemongrass essential oil into your daily routine. It can be used topically when diluted with a carrier oil such as coconut or jojoba oil for massages or skincare purposes. Adding a few drops of lemongrass essential oil to a diffuser can fill your space with its refreshing aroma. You can also create your own natural cleaning products by combining lemongrass essential oil with water and other natural ingredients. However, it's important to note that lemongrass essential oil is highly concentrated, so it should always be used in moderation and with caution. Precautions and side effects of lemongrass essential oil. While lemongrass essential oil is generally safe for most individuals, there are a few precautions to keep in mind. It should not be used undiluted on the skin, as it can cause skin irritation in some people. It is also not recommended for use during pregnancy or by individuals with certain medical conditions. As with any essential oil, it's best to perform a patch test before using it topically to ensure you do not have an adverse reaction. If any negative side effects occur, discontinue use immediately. Where to buy lemongrass essential oil? Lemongrass essential oil can be purchased from various retailers, both online and in physical stores. When purchasing, it's important to choose a reputable brand that offers pure and high-quality essential oils. Look for oils that are 100% pure, organic, and free from additives or synthetic fragrances. Reading customer reviews and checking for third-party testing can also help ensure that you are purchasing a genuine product. Conclusion: harnessing the power of lemongrass essential oil. In conclusion, lemongrass essential oil is a natural remedy that offers a wide range of benefits for the mind, body, and spirit. From its rich history and origin to its extraction process and chemical composition, lemongrass essential oil is a powerful and versatile oil that has been treasured for centuries. Its numerous health, skincare, hair care, mental and emotional, and even spiritual benefits make it a valuable addition to any natural wellness routine. By harnessing the power of lemongrass essential oil, you can experience the refreshing and transformative effects it has to offer. CTA. Discover the incredible benefits of lemongrass essential oil for yourself and embark on a journey of holistic well-being. Try incorporating lemongrass essential oil into your daily routine and experience the natural remedy that nourishes the mind, body, and spirit. Shop now and unlock the potential of lemongrass essential oil. We are grateful for your viewership of our movie. If you enjoyed it, we would be honored if you could consider subscribing to our channel. Your support enables us to produce more captivating movies for your enjoyment. Additionally, taking a moment to leave a comment would mean a lot to us. We sincerely thank you in advance for your support and feedback.